Hopkins, a registered dietitian and part of nutrition program staff at the Gathering Place. Each week we'll be sending you quick and easy recipes. This week I wanted to feature a dish from the American Institute of Cancer Research. At the Gathering Place, AICR is one of our favorite evidence-based sources for tips on cancer prevention as well as cancer survivorship. Please check out the American Institute of Cancer Research database for more great ideas for physical activity and diet to help keep you healthy. The recipe is a fresh cherry and corn salad that I'll be making. The written guidelines I've provided yield a 8-serving dish. For the purpose of this video, I'll be cutting that in half and making it to yield 4 servings. I'm going to start off with the dressing. The recipe calls for 1/4 of a shallot that's been minced. Now, I wasn't able to find a shallot at the store this weekend, so instead I have these cute little baby red onions. I've chopped up 2 of these that I'm going to add to 1/8 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'm going to add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic minced. Now, I like a pungent garlic flavor, so I've added a full 2 cloves. To finish the dressing, I'm going to add 1/8 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, and I'm going to give it a nice shake to combine. All right, now we're going to save this for a few steps later. Now I'm going to turn my attention to the salad. I have here about 2½ ounces of mixed greens that I'll be adding to my bowl, 1/4 of a cup of sliced red onion, and I have here about 1½ cups of corn kernels. The recipe calls for 2 ears of freshly cooked corn with the kernels sliced off. I'm substituting frozen corn here. 1 ear of corn makes about 3/4 cups of kernels, so that's where I got the 1½ cups. I'm going to add that in. And then I'm going to toss it with our dressing that we made. Okay. I'm going to use my tongs to mix it up here. Okay. And I'm going to plate it. Okay. And you can top with fresh cherries that have been pitted and halved, as well as some feta cheese. Doesn't that look good? And it kind of just screams summer there, at least to me. Now, the American Institute of Cancer Research has highlighted 3 ingredients that have compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties in the laboratory setting. Those would be cherries, the compound being melatonin, garlic from our dressing, the compound being allium, and greens, the compound being carotenoids. Now, these 3 compounds, again, in the lab setting, have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. What does that mean as far as human studies? More research needs to be done regarding the amount consumed, the preparation, individual properties, as well as digestion and absorption of these compounds to have a better conclusion on human and cancer risk. We know from a number of studies out there that there's probable evidence that a diet high in fruits and vegetables has shown decreased risk of a number of cancers, such as colorectal cancer, lung cancer, other cancers of the digestive tract, and breast cancer. So it's important to fill 2/3 of your plate with plant foods. For more nutrition information, as well as quick and easy recipes to get all those fruits and vegetables in, please visit our website at touchedbycancer.org. Thank you.